Hello guys, welcome to automationtalks.com. Myself Prakash Narkadi, and today I am here with Selenium video tutorial for synchronization in Selenium WebDriver explicit wait. In my earlier videos I talked about synchronization, in which I covered implicit wait. You can find earlier tutorials on automationtalks.com, and here it is. What is implicit wait, how to achieve implicit wait, then why not to use thread.sleep. So today I'll cover about explicit wait, what is explicit wait and how to achieve explicit wait in Selenium WebDriver. Right, so before that, let me talk about synchronization. I have already talked about this in my previous videos. I'll just cover it in short. So synchronization is nothing but matching the speed of your application under test with your automation tool. So application under test means in this case our web application, and automation tool is our Selenium, right? So the speed of both web application and Selenium should be in sync, that is known as synchronization. And why not to use thread.sleep? Because it sleeps for particular amount of time. Let us say if I'm giving thread.sleep of 5 seconds, but if my element occur within a second, then the 4 second will be wasted, right? My application, my code will wait for 5 seconds only because I have hard coded it, right, by using thread.sleep. So it is not a good way to prefer thread.sleep. Then implicit wait, I have explained in my earlier tutorial what is implicit wait. So implicit wait is nothing but it will be applicable to whole life of the driver, and we can specify it implicitly. Now in this video I'll talk about what is explicit wait. Okay, so let me create one package. I'll create a new package, and let me create one class explicit wait, and let me create one method, and let me copy the code to launch browser. Fine, so I have defined a driver. Right, now what is implicit wait? Implicit wait is nothing but defining the wait condition for driver, life of the driver, right? So this is how we define implicit wait. So this, once the implicit wait is defined, it will be applicable to the whole life of the driver till we kill the driver or close the driver, right? That is the session, right, applicable for the session. And since it is implicit wait, okay, and it will be applicable to only find element and find elements command, like whichever in whenever we will be interacting with the uh, DOM structure to find out the elements, then only this implicit wait will be applicable. But let us say one of my element, let us say I'm using demo web shop. Let us say one of button, like let us say this register button takes some time to appear on the screen, right? This is not the ideal situation which I am saying. The ideal situation which I am saying could be if your application takes time to enable the button, or to disable the button, or to check or the alert to be present, right? So those are the ideals condition for the explicit wait, right? But since I don't have that condition, I'll just explain it with you on this register button. Let us say this register button takes some time to appear on the screen, right? And every all other buttons works perfectly. So what I'll do, I will apply implicit wait. Yes, I will apply implicit wait of 5 seconds. I will apply implicit wait of 5 seconds. But let us say my Okay, I have given implicit wait of 5 seconds, but let us say this register button may take time more than 5 seconds to be appear on the screen, right? So if I know, okay, the particular element takes time to load or to be enabled, to be disabled, to be present on the screen, takes some time, right? Like more than what I have specified in implicit wait, right? So in those conditions I will be using explicit wait for particular condition, right, for particular element. So note that implicit wait will be applicable to the whole life of the driver, whereas this explicit wait will be applicable to only particular element. Let us say I'll explain you here about a register, right? So now how to define explicit wait. Okay, so it would be defined like WebDriver wait is equal to new, let me import the package, then it will come new WebDriver wait, and it is driver and I want to wait for 10 seconds. Fine, so now I have created an instance of WebDriver wait, which is a class present under this support UI WebDriver wait package, right? Now how to use this? I, as I said, it would be applicable to only particular element, right? So how to use that? For the particular element, wait until wait until something happens, right? So something happens means expected condition, right? So expected conditions dot, right? So now there are multiple conditions you can check, like element selected to state B, or element is clickable, element to be selected, element to be available. Like, so there are number of conditions which can be checked by using this explicit wait. So I'm just checking visibility of element located by XPath, and let us say I want to find out if this particular register button is present on the screen. So I'll use XPath of this particular register button, right? So this is how we can wait explicitly, right? So I'm waiting explicitly until expected condition. What is my expected condition? I'm waiting for visibility of the element located by XPath. So I'm waiting till this particular register link appears, and my maximum would be 10, maximum time would be 10 seconds, right? So let me run this. Let me run this. I should use it test ng test. Oh, the URL which I've specified is wrong. Let me stop the execution and correct the URL. Now let me run again. Can you see the test is executed successfully? That means the particular element was located, right? But now let us say if I am giving invalid locator, what this means is it will wait for 10 seconds to load this element, and then it will throw and no such element exception after this 10 seconds, right? Because the element so this web element is invalid, locator is invalid. So let me run now. Can you see it has thrown timed out exception, timed out after 10 seconds waiting for visibility of the element this, right? But since this is invalid, that is why it has thrown timeout exceptions, right? So that is how we will wait for particular web element by using this explicit wait, right? So you can find the similar code on my blog over here, explicit wait. So I have over here, and you can find links for other tutorials which I have covered earlier. So that's it I have for this explicit wait video tutorial for the Selenium WebDriver. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.